Class 9 chapter number 5. Today I related to topic basic component of. Today I related to topic basic components of Windows 7. There are so many basic components of Windows 7. First, desktop. Second, icons. Third, folders. Fourth, taskbar. Fifth, a start button. Sixth, pin a program to taskbar. Pin a program to taskbar. Seven, notification area. Eight, clock. There are so many such type of component. Nine, show desktop button. My dear student, I discuss one by one with practical. I have not discussed any such type of write to any such type of notes. First of all, discuss this is the laptop and first of all I discuss what is the desktop. So desktop is the first screen. This is the desktop. The first screen appear in front of you. This is called to the desktop. Second, number point, icons. Icons means the graphical image of the desktop that are represent without application program. That is the all such type of VLC media player. This is the my icons. Computer, this is the icons. The recycle pen, this is the icons. The all such type of related the desktop is called to the icons. Second number point, folder. How to make to the folder? You first how to make to the folder. You how to make to the folder? You first you go to the new option and you go to the folder option. And you just name put to the folder. Suppose name put MIS. So this is the folder. The folder, what is the folder? The folder is the place where you can file icons, program, any such type of data are saved in the particular location. This is called to the folder. My third, taskbar. The lower level, the all such type of lower part is called to the taskbar. All such type of parts is called to the taskbar. A start button. Everybody look at this is the start button. This is the start button. This is second, pin to a taskbar. You just go to the start button and you just go to the all programs, and you search to the so I showed at the every such type of area in related to the laptop. So my dear student, anybody asked to what is the desktop, what is the icon, what is the folder, what is the taskbar, what is the start button, everybody what is the notification area, clock, and the so desktop button. It is the main component of the Windows 7. First of all, what is the desktop? So desktop is appear on the desktop is the first appear on the screen. This is the desktop icons. They are a small graphical image on the desktop that represent the various application programs, files, and the folders. Second, third, folders. What is a folder? Folder are the place where you can save the files, icons, or any such type of the programs. What is the taskbar? The taskbar is a long horizontal bar. I showed that the lower part area is called to the taskbar. So this is a taskbar. A start button. A start button is the found at the bottom of the left side and part of the taskbar. The start button, the start button opens. There are the various programs. Yeah, a start menu gives access to the program identifier. So this is the not to the any such type of main important point. You just look at the desktop and look at the laptop, and you automatically sort the every such type of situation. Clock. This is the clock area. This is the clock. This is the clock. You just click in this area. This is the clock. So no any such type of a component discussed. This is because there is no any such type of the important point. So my again topic start components of Windows 7. Is that a screen? Components of window, a screen. First of all, my dear student, components of window, a screen. What is the known of the window? So when you open the any such type of application, I again repeat, when you open an application or a folder, is always open with a always time open with a rectangular frame. Is always time open with a rectangular frame. A structure is known as the window. They are basically two type of window. I write down venue application or a folder it is always time open with a rectangular frame. A rectangular frame structure is known as window. There are two type of window. First, application program window. First, application application program window, and the second explorer window. Explorer window. What is the application program window? Application program window that opens up when you open an application program. When you open to the application program, this is called to the application program window. What is the explorer window? When you open, you just double click. You just double click file or folder to view a content. This is to the explorer window. Explorer window, double click application program. When you open to any such type of application, this is called to the application program. I draw to the one diagram. This area is related to the start button. This area is related to the start button. This area is located on the working area. This area is located on the working area. The all such type of home, insert, these all such type of called to the ribbon. The all such type of called to the ribbon. There are the so many such type of option is related to the save option. There are so many such type of option is related to the rectangular box. Rectangular box. The upper side area is related to the title bar. The title bar and the 3-point maximum, minimum and close. Let's see to the laptop. I open to the MS Word. I open to the MS Word. First of all, you go to the all program and you just click to the Microsoft Office and you just click the MS Word 2013 and then click to the blank. This area is the working area. The mouse pointer is blinking. I work with any such type of content. This is the working area. This total area is called to the this is the start button. The all such type of save button, Microsoft Word, this is called to the rectangular box. The home, file, insert, design, page layout, reference, the all such type of name is called to the ribbon. The first cross nissan, that is the close to the Microsoft window. I just click this cross sign. You just click enter in this particular area. The close. The second option is the restore या तो minimize, and the third option is the minimize. This is the minimize option and this is the maximize option, and the last content is the cross. This is the all such type of related to the working area. My dear student, there are so many such type of component. There are so many such type of component of Windows 7. First title bar, second a scroll bar, third address bar, fourth navigation pane, fifth toolbar. There are so many such type of component. This is the basics fundamental. So I am not discussing. I discuss only for the title bar. Title bars appear. This is the title bars. The all such type of data are related to the title bar. This is all such type of the title bar. Title bar. This is the title bar. Title bar means what is the title bar? So title bar at the top of the program. The title bar at the top of the program window, the bar display the name of open application. Suppose I open to the MS Word. So this is the document bar. This is called to the title bar. This is called to the title bar. So my dear student, this is title bar. Second, a scroll bar. A scroll bar appears the more matter on the window screen to the display. A scroll bar. I again sort to the scroll bar. You just open to the MS Excel. This area is the scroll bar. This area is the scroll bar. This area is the scroll bar. So a scroll bar appears when there is the more matter of the window screen to the display. This is actually the vertical scroll bar, and the bar is the horizontal scroll may also appear it with the window. So too many such type of scroll bar in appear in the different such type of application. Excel is a different scroll bar, window is a different scroll bar. So there is no any such type of I discuss in any such type of matter. So I discuss in only for the component of the Microsoft Windows screen. Thank you so much.